Hello and welcome back. So we have a working segment down here, which is good, but it seems the images are not being cropped. So let's go back here and deal with that. So I'm going to wait a minute. Do we have... Okay, there we go. We should add more items and see what happens here. Let me undo this. I've never actually used these guys before, so let's see what that does. Okay, so the number going down is worse. Let's try a bigger number and see. That actually works. I like that. Okay, so I've left this div, but small 10 there. I think that should help distinguish them from the rest of these that are big, but we still need to crop the images. So let's go to our home controller, right here where we have segment data. So we can choose to do it from here because we are getting some result over here. The same place we are changing the category name here. We can also edit this row, these rows in here, right here, no biggie. So we already have the code for doing this, which is right here. So what I will do is, let's see here, there's a for each loop. Okay, so it starts from here, right here. Let's copy this. Slider row, segment data. Okay, so we could do it right here, or we could do it in the segment there, which might be easier actually to do from. So let me just add the image class over here, because we're calling this function from here, and I don't want to go in there and create a new image class. So I might as well just pass it in here the same way I'm passing in the DB. So let me just put it at the end here. I'll say image class, like so. Okay, that will do. And then come down here and accept it here as well, image class. And then down here now, before I add these rows to the result, I want to crop the images. Crop images. So paste there, like so. Now, while cropping here, it's very possible that the image may not exist. So it's a good idea to do an if file exists before doing this. It always helps. But for now, let's ignore that for a second. We're going to fix it if need arise. So instead of slider rows, we're just going to say rows here. And I will get any instance of slider here and remove it. Okay, that should work out. Very good. Crop images. Let's refresh and see what happens. Okay, errors, very nice. So nothing was cropped here. Let's look at the complaint, shall we? So it's saying undefined variable I on line 102. 102 home.php, 102 right here. Rows I. We don't actually need this if statement here. So because we already know rows is an array, so I will remove that and remove that here as well. So let's move things back a bit. Then let's remove this I over here and there as well. Boom. Okay, that should do it. So let's come back here and do one more refresh. This time we have square images, which means things actually worked. So click here, click there. Very nice. One item missing. meat, others category. Okay, so things are working well here. Everything looks fine. Here we have a nice slider, and here we have some random items in there. Okay, pretty good. So when you add a lot of items here, this is when most of this will make sense, because you have more random items appearing here because of the random thing we did there. Okay, so far the home page is clear because we've done everything we need here. The only thing is you may want to add adverts here, so we'll see how we can fix that. And you may want to change the logo from the admin section. However, these are simple things. If you're making this for a client, for example, you can just add that logo manually in there. But adverts, of course, will need to be a separate thing. So we're going to see how to do that. But for now, in the next videos, we're going to do a search for products here. So you may end up with thousands of products here, and there's no pagination, and then there's no searching as well. So we're going to see how to add both those things so that you can go to another page and you can also search for something particular that you want. Okay, so I will see you in the next video where we start with pagination right in our backyard here on the page, on the home page rather. I'll see you then.